Welcome to another tech tutorial video from we at Beko Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications for your Android applications to avoid distractions when making screen recordings for your YouTube video. Stay tuned throughout this video and let me show you how to do this. So these are all the applications I have, and most of them bring in daily notifications which I want to avoid. So what I want to do is click on the settings application. So in the settings application, what you want to do is look for apps and notifications. The names might be different depending on the Android version you are using or the type of phone you are using, but it's all the same. So click on app notifications. Under apps and notifications, you can scroll down to where you can see notifications and click on that also. So under notifications, what you want to do is look for app notifications and select that again. So to load the app notifications, here you can see all the applications on your Android phones where you receive notifications, and under this drop down menu you can also switch between all applications and applications you've already turned notifications. So what we want to focus on now is looking for the applications that we receive daily notifications, and turn them off because we do not want any distractions when recording our videos for YouTube. So I'll go through all the process of turning off notifications for the applications that I normally receive notifications or I'm regularly notified when there's an update. So when I'm done, then we continue from where we got into. So now, after you've turned off notifications for the various applications you are sure there will be distractions, we'll click on the drop down menu again, and this time go to apps which have their notifications turned off, and here you can see them. So that's all for today's video. See you next time. In upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how to enable the show touches, so that when you are making screen recordings and you touch any part of the screen, viewers can know where you've touched, and it's a great guide when making tutorial videos like this. See you next time. Remember again, peace out. Love you.